Did you know that doing the right thing at work can sometimes lead to the biggest promotions of your life? Sarah was a data scientist at a big tech company. One day, she found something shocking. The company's AI system for hiring was automatically rejecting qualified candidates just because of their race. Sarah felt sick to her stomach. She knew reporting this could end her career. Her boss might fire her. Her coworkers might turn against her. She had bills to pay and a family to support. For months, Sarah couldn't sleep. She quietly gathered evidence, documenting every biased decision the AI made. Her hands shook as she saved each file. Finally, Sarah couldn't stay silent anymore. She reported everything to the company's leadership, expecting the worst. But something amazing happened. Instead of firing her, they promoted her to head a brand new ethics department. Her salary doubled overnight. The company realized they needed someone with Sarah's courage and integrity to prevent future problems. Sometimes, standing up for what's right doesn't just help others, it helps you too.